wallet balance was at 34 SOL, and after going through the steps, it went up in no time. All you need to do is head to the Airdrop site, press Claim Reward, select your wallet, I use Trust Wallet, then hit Connect and Confirm. Important note, your wallet can't be empty since Solana is making sure the system isn't abused. And just like that, a few minutes later, my balance jumped to around 38 SOL. Pretty crazy, right? You should definitely check it out before it ends. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how much you managed to grab. It's kind of addictive once you see your balance go up.